The 45-day Mahakumbh Mela 2025, celebrated as the largest gathering on earth, commenced early Monday on the occasion of Paush Purnima. An estimated 1.5 crore, 15 million devotees are expected to take a holy dip at the Sangam, the sacred confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati, under stringent security measures. According to news agency ANI, the event begins with the Shahi Snan on Paush Purnima, marking a rare celestial alignment that occurs only once every 144 years. Devotees have gathered in massive numbers at the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the three rivers, to participate in this auspicious ritual. The Mahakumbh Mela will conclude on February 26, with significant bathing rituals, Shahi Snan planned on January 14, Makar Sankranti, January 29, Mauni Amavasya, and February 3, Basant Panchami. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath emphasized the importance of Mahakumbh 2025, describing it as a rare chance for people worldwide to experience the cultural and spiritual richness of Uttar Pradesh and India. The Namami Gange team organized a large-scale yagya at the Sangam on Sunday, the eve of Mahakumbh. Over 200 Ganga Sevaduts and thousands of others participated, pledging to preserve the Ganga's purity and flow. The event also recognized India's youth for contributing to the Ganga Swachhata Abhiyan. NDRF teams and Uttar Pradesh Police's water police units have been stationed to ensure the safety of devotees as the Shahi Snan commenced on Paush Purnima, marking the start of Mahakumbh 2025. Traffic police have devised extensive plans to manage vehicular flow and ensure the safety of devotees attending the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, which began today. Over 50,000 QR codes are being set up on electricity poles across the 25 sectors of the Mahakumbh area. These will help pilgrims identify their locations and lodge complaints about electricity-related issues. The cost of helicopter rides for an aerial view of Mahakumbh has been reduced to 1,296 rupees per person. The 7 to 8 minute rides, starting January 13, will offer tourists a unique perspective of the expansive Kumbh area and Prayagraj city. 3 hospitals have been established at Aurey, Gopiganj, and UNJ police stations on National Highway 19 in Bhadohi district for devotees traveling to Mahakumbh. These facilities will become fully operational on January 14, according to Superintendent of Police Abhimanyu Manglik.